When you think of the ocean's most feared predators, images of great white sharks, orcas, and massive squid may spring to mind. But what if I told you the ocean's most brilliant hunters aren't the ones you usually see? In the hidden depths, there's a secret society of highly intelligent creatures whose hunting skills are so cunning. They'll make you question everything you thought you knew about survival of the fittest. From shape-shifting masters of disguise to those who can literally see your every move, these unseen predators are the real rulers of the underwater world. And today we're going to pull back the curtain to reveal them. Prepare to dive deep into a world where intelligence, not just brawn, reigns supreme. We're about to uncover the unseen masterminds of the deep, creatures so cunning, their hunting strategies will absolutely blow your mind. So stay tuned. This is going to be one wild ride. Now let's get started. You've probably heard Billie Eilish's song about it. But how much do you really know about the octopus? These creatures are basically the Michael Scofields of the sea, always a step ahead of their prey and rivals. Their ability to squeeze through tiny cracks, even when it seems impossible, is mind-boggling. And let's not forget about their color-changing skills. They can mimic the color and texture of their surroundings in mere seconds, making them masters of disguise. Now imagine trying to spot an octopus while it's hiding. It's like trying to find a chameleon in a rainbow-sprinkled forest. Just when you think you've got it all figured out, they pull off an unexpected move, like growing a leafy appendage that looks exactly like a venomous sea snake. That's right! They can actually trick other animals by mimicking their appearance. I mean, talk about being prepared for anything. Now let's turn our attention to another shapeshifter, the cuttlefish. These guys take camouflage to a whole new level. Thanks to their hypnotic display of color-changing skin cells called chromatophores, they can blend in with their surroundings faster than you can say hide and seek. But that's not all. They can also use their chromatophores to create mesmerizing patterns that lure their prey right into their waiting arms. It's like having your very own personal hypnotist, except instead of putting you to sleep, they're putting their dinner to sleep. Finally, we have the stonefish, also known as the kiss of death. These masters of disguise have managed to fool even the most cautious sea creatures. Their see-through undersides allow them to blend in with the sandy seafloor, making them nearly invisible to predators and prey alike. Talk about playing it safe. These examples only scratch the surface of the incredible hunting skills of deep-sea creatures. Each species has its own unique adaptations and strategies that make it a master of its environment. From the platypus-like star-nosed molefish to the sperm whale, each creature is a testament to the incredible diversity and adaptability of life on Earth. So don't underestimate the power of intelligence when it comes to survival. Sometimes the smallest and seemingly weakest creatures are the ones that reign supreme. But you don't have to take my word for it. There are plenty of examples of deep-sea creatures that defy the odds and thrive despite their size or strengths. For example, the anglerfish, which uses a bioluminescent lure to attract prey in the darkest depths of the ocean, or the hagfish, which uses its slime-covered body to suffocate its prey before consuming it. These creatures may not be the biggest or the strongest, but they are some of the most effective hunters in the deep sea. And the ocean's most cunning hunters use a variety of tools to get the job done. Some of them, like the octopus, rely on their intelligence to solve problems and figure out how to use their environment to their advantage. Others, like the stonefish, are perfectly camouflaged and rely on their ability to blend in with their surroundings. But no matter what their approach, these deep-sea creatures are all masters at what they do. So if you ever find yourself in the deep sea, remember, it's not always the biggest or the strongest that survive. It's the most cunning and intelligent. Now we want to hear from you. What other deep-sea creatures do you think are the most intelligent, and why? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more fascinating content. Thanks for watching.